Welcome back, guys. We changed dress and we wear pantyhose.
Come and fly away with me.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm just awake, guys, and it's 7 a.m. Oh my god, so gonna get So today is Tuesday and it's colder. I think I don't see any sun rays. And start our day. I'm hungry. So we're gonna go down and start our day. Wait, we will put some kuan with our face. Stamina, pila, waka waka, la 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 la. This stands for Africa. Freaking a pee-pee. So, manata nag-pee-pee. We're gonna check our kwan outside. Flowers. Uy, it's open. Wala pa dyan ako nahipos ang muon. Look at my spinaci. Uy. Our flowers. And it's wet, guys. It looks like, oh, it's raining. It's raining. So it looks like my strawberry is not going well anymore. I lost 15 euro with that. And our flowers, look at that. It's raining, guys, you see. You see the one. It's raining. This is for Africa. Don't you eat it? Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot. I don't know if the bread is still good, but no, it's molds now. No, it's molds. So I think, what would I? Magkuan na lang tag coffee. Wala. Wala tayo pagkaon. we don't have food. So, we will gonna eat air. Ngaon na tagkuan ani. Mangaon lang tagkuan ani guys. We gonna eat wind. So, coffee time with Nikki. So, coffee time with me.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. We changed dress and we wear pantyhose. So, I wear pantyhose because it's colder. But I was outside checking the weather, checking the flowers, and it was raining, so I wear pantyhose. And I know you like pantyhose, guys. Some of you like pantyhose, so I wear pantyhose and I change dress. We're gonna do some cooking.
A few moments later.
So, maglungag ta, guys. Mao ni ato ang rice. Rice. So, here. So, naana ang ato ang nilungag. So, magkuan na ta, guys. Mga langga. Magulat na lang ta kung maluto. Unya, magsugod na dayon tag luto sa atong sudaan. So, karon magsugod na ta sa atong pagluluto. Sama ni ato ang vermicelli, magsutang hunta. So, oops. Unsa may atong kuanon ha? Kanin na lang oy. Keep fillet, or I don't know. This is keep fillet. Yeah. For sandwich, I think. So we're gonna kuan it. We're gonna do cutting. This is fresh from the garden. We use the onion from the garden, guys, from our garden. So, humanata sa atong spicery. So, start cooking. Kainan na! Kaon na ta mga langga kay gutom na kaayo. Kaon na ta. Malangga. Manatag kaon, anya magkumartag tambal para sa ako ang dugo. And we're gonna take this. So, happy Tuesday once again. We're gonna relax for a while and watch a movie, watch Netflix. I had some movie last night. It was very good and it's not finished yet. So, we're gonna do... So, magpahaway sa tamang laga. Magpahaway sa kita. Here na ang atong text. This is only the thing that I have fun. Netflix or the Look movie. So we're gonna do like this. Oh.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's 11:30 and we're gonna go sleep, and I would like to say thank you to everybody for watching my video, and to my channel members, thank you very much, and for the support, thank you guys, and see you tomorrow and see you in my next vlog. Light.